Stop. Before you watch another video, your YouTube feed might already be controlling what you see. If your recommendations feel repetitive or completely irrelevant, you're not alone, and it won't fix itself. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to reset your YouTube feed, clear what's affecting it, and quickly start getting better, more relevant recommendations again. We're going to see any videos that we don't like. So for example, I don't like this kind of videos. So what you're going to do is you're just going to tap on the three dots icon right next to the title of the video, and then we are going to select, you can either choose not interested or don't recommend channels. So this one completely removes the channel from your feed, while not interested completely removes these kinds of videos to your feed. So we're just going to tap on not interested for this one since we only want to change the videos. Now for a full hard reset, you can clear your entire watch history and search history from settings. So you can just tap on your profile icon once again, and then we're just going to head back to manage all history that we have gone through earlier. And then from there, we are just going to tap on the delete icon right here. And then from there, you can just choose whether you want to delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. But since we want to do a hard reset, we can just click on delete all time right here and then confirm that you would like to delete all of the following videos or history right there. Just click on delete to confirm the decision. Now, this wipes the slate completely and forces YouTube to essentially start learning your preferences from scratch. Your feed may feel generic for a day or two before it recalibrates. Now, the fastest way to rebuild a great feed after resetting is intentional watching. Search for the exact topics that you want, watch photos or videos all the way through, and like the ones that you genuinely enjoy. YouTube's algorithm responds within 24 to 48 hours of consistent signals, and that's how you're going to reset your YouTube feed